Ribbon tabs are now out and you definitely should be using them. Hey guys, and welcome back. Roblox has finally released the ribbon tabs in Roblox Studio. These things, I have been waiting and wanting them for so long, ever since the Studio Beta came out, and if you're not sure what they are, check it out. Right up here, we have Tab Home that has a assortment of tools that most builders, modelers, literally everybody. The Home is what most people will use. On the Model tab, there's other things that I use quite a bit. For example, the Move Increments or the Edit Pivot. I don't use any of this though. Effect, Constraints, Lock, barely ever. Align, Union Tools, not much. Avatar tab, literally nothing. UI, nothing. Script, nothing. And plugins, of course. I do use plugins, but not all of these all the time. Guys, ribbon tabs let you make your own tab. So if I just type, let's say work, this is now my work tab. I can right click and add tools or add dividers. So let's add tools first. First thing I'm gonna do, since I'm a builder, is add the move tools back. Move, rotate, scale, and the other one is transform, but I never use it, so I don't need it on this page. Now I'm gonna close out of this and add a divider. So I have my move tools. I never use select, and I never use transform, so that cleans those up entirely. I'm not exactly sure what this would be called, so I'm just gonna look up studs, I guess. Bros, I cannot find the increment things for the life of me. I just don't know what they're called. So I guess for now, I'll skip them on my custom ribbon tab. Obviously, you can't build without the part inserter, so I think I'm gonna need that, and I might as well add the terrain as well because I do use that quite often. So, work, we can right click, add tools, we'll search part, that's not it. Insert block part, perfect. Why isn't that a drop down? Now I have to figure out what is this called? Part, create a new part. But if I search part here, all I get is particle emitters. Okay, that's interesting. So if I typed sphere then, insert a sphere part. Okay, so we get ribbon tabs. Will we ever be able to drop down the ribbon tabs like the part inserter, for example? Most of the time I do use a block and not the other shapes, but it would definitely be nice to have the other shapes. So I'm going to skip this one for now as well. We're going to remove the tool. I guess we will go with terrain. There we go. Perfect. And now we could go see what else we use on a daily basis. We're gonna need anchor. We need this. We need the studs for rotate and move. We need a drop down parts thing, which we can't do either of those because I don't know what they're called. Material and color, I just use properties for, so I don't really need them. We will do anchor next. Oh, that's gonna be a weird spot for a divider, but okay. We will add our anchor tool. I don't think I use anything else on this ribbon. On the avatar tab, I do use the character one to spawn in characters, so I will add that in. Perfect. I'm gonna clear this divider as well because it just doesn't really feel needed, but I will add another divider, and here I'm gonna put my most used plugins, because I never use anything in the UI tab for my line of work, never use anything in the script tab either, but plugins, oh man, do I use these things a lot. I think Add Easy Textures is gonna be the main one. Archimedes, Add Easy Textures, Archimedes, Brush Tool, SBS, and HSV. I think those are my main ones. So we'll go to work, add tools, all creators. We will do SBS first, Add Easy Textures next, Archimedes, and I forgot what the last one I said I needed was. Brush Tool. Oh my gosh, I need Brush Tool. Okay, so this is my custom tab. I don't have to look through this. Like, let's say, oh, I added a part. Now I need to go to model to edit its pivot. Could probably just add the part from here as well. Didn't really think that far ahead. But this lets you save a lot of time, not having to go through a bunch of tabs and not needing useless stuff on your screen. If you are just a scripter, this tab is probably pretty close to what you want already, but maybe you're using a plugin all the time, like Data Store Editor. It'd be so nice to have that on your custom tab instead of having to flip through all of these for whatever you want. This update should ideally speed up the workflows of pretty much everybody. Builders, VFX people, UI designers, scripters. If you could do it in Studio, you could probably make a custom tab for it and speed up your work quite a bit. It does seem like at this point in time, not everything can be added into these tabs, like the drop-down menus, or like stuff that we don't know what it's called. Like if I hover over this, I can't. Nothing actually pops up. But if I hover over this, it tells me what it is. Edit pivot. So I could add this, which I should because I use reset pivot quite a bit. But the feature is out nonetheless. It still needs more stuff added to it, but man, look at this. You see all these random buttons? No, this simple day-to-day work. I have only what I need on my screen. I think this is a massive W for Roblox, and if you guys agree with your boy, make sure to drop a like on the video and let Roblox know down in the comments below, or at least the Roblox Studio devs. Let them know what you guys want to see next. They are listening. But that will wrap it up for today. If you did enjoy and want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.